Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Mathematics with Zubair. Today we will prove 3 is equal to 4. In mathematics, it's quite shocking to prove that 3 is equal to 4 because whatever we have studied in our career so far is that 3 is not equal to 4. But today I will prove that 3 is equal to 4. It's quite shocking, but I will prove it. Let me start. I am taking A plus B is equal to C. This is an equation. I am taking an equation and I am taking a variable or constant. These are constant A, B, C. These three are constant and I am saying that A plus B is equal to C. Now what I am doing, I can write this A as 4A minus 3A plus I can write this B as 4B minus 3B is equal to, I can also write this C as 4C minus 3C. So you can see that whenever I subtract 4A and 3A, I will get A. Whenever I subtract 4B and 3B, I will get B. And whenever I subtract 4C and 3C, I will get C. So this step is okay. Now what I am doing, I will take 4A plus 4B and I will take this 4 minus 4C now is equal to, I will put this 3A on the right side of equation. The sign, the negative sign will change into positive sign. So 3A, again the same will be done with 3B. If it moves to the right side of this equation, the negative sign will change into positive sign. 3A plus 3B and this minus 3C. So this okay. I have rearranged the constant 4A, 3A, 4B, 3B, 4C, 3C. Now the next step is I can take 4 common from this side and 3 common from that side. So let me take common. 4, take it out, 4A plus B minus C. If I take 4 out of this, so A, B and C. A plus B minus C. I will take 3 out of this. So taking 3 out of this will give me A plus B minus C. Now it's very simple. Now what I will do, I will cancel A plus B minus C, A plus B minus C from both sides because both are same. So I can cancel these out. So cancel it out. Cancel this with this because there is a concept that if like AB is equal to BC, if both are same, yani B is on the left side, B is on the right side, so we can cancel this both. So we will get what? A is equal to C. Similarly, the same concept, we can apply the same concept here. After cancelling, what we will get? 4 is equal to 3. We can rewrite this as 3 is equal to 4. So this statement has been proved. Okay. Now I have proved 3 is equal to 4. Now your job is to find out whether I have followed all the steps of mathematics or whether I have done something going against the rules and the regulations of mathematics to prove this 3 is equal to 4. Comment in the comment section and let me know. Thank you very much.